Hello friend, this is Vishnu from SBC College specialized in computer science engineering. Today I am here with seminar topic Artificial Intelligence in Chemical. Here we go with the content. The content I have listed is introduction, why AI in chemical, why it is important, feature of AI in chemical, advantage of using AI in chemical, challenges and its conclusion. Introduction. What is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machine that are programmed to perform a task at a typical require human-like cognitive abilities such as learning, problem solving, and natural language understanding. What is chemistry? Chemistry is a study of matters, its property, composition, structure, behavior, and the changes it undergoes. If we talk about the AI integration with chemical, then AI hold millions of patterns, chemical compounds to train the data set which help in the prediction, drug discovery, and molecular design. Different companies like AstraZeneca, Pfizer are working with the AI tools. Even Microsoft is investing in AI in chemical for the better progress in the future. Why AI in chemical? As I said, AI hold millions of chemical patterns which help in the prediction and molecular design of the chemical compound through the different AI algorithms like deep learning, machine learning, and so on. AI is not limited to drug discovery and prediction only, but AI can help chemists be faster and more creative in research as well. AI involved in chemical through predicting the molecular properties, molecular design, retrosynthesis, reaction outcome prediction, reaction condition prediction, and chemical reaction optimization. Predicting the molecular properties. When a scientist designs a new molecule for a certain application, they have to synthesize them to check experimentally that they possess a right properties or not. If they do not, the scientists design a new molecules again until they obtain the molecules that satisfy their requirement. During this process, they have to take a lot of time, but AI predict molecules property according to the training data set. As for example, this is benzene and R1 and R2 are the two additional compounds like carbon, nitrogen or oxygens which have different properties. With the help of the artificial intelligence, we can consider or we can analyze the property of these structures easily. Molecular design. Designing a new molecules is one of the highest value added tasks to chemists. They usually work under the certain domains knowledge and their creativity. But even they have some limitations such as human creativity is inherently based, and other limitation is human mind can't design a large number of new molecules at a time. But machine learning or deep learning algorithms are trained to large number of molecules that several data set containing the millions of molecules which help the chemist to design a number of new molecules at a time. Retrosynthesis. Retrosynthesis is the process of identifying the starting element used in the compound. As several high performance machine learning based algorithms have been developed to assist the chemist during doing retrosynthesis. These complex deep learning algorithms have been trained on a very large number of organic reactions, typically millions or 10 millions. The user inputs the molecules that they want to synthesize into the programs, and The machine learning algorithms generate the retrosynthesized tree, which uh, which which each node of tree is synthesized intermediate and each leaves of the tree is uh, commercially available starting materials. Reaction outcome prediction. Machine learning programs in AI have been trained with the data set of millions of organic reactions to predict the reaction outcome. These programs are based on the CNN graph or RNN. They work in the following ways. The reactant are given to the programs and the programs predict the main reactant product and several other possible products which are often byproduct of the reaction. Reaction condition prediction. Once the reaction is identified, then the chemist find the suitable reaction condition. For that they have to go through the condition and attempt the synthesis in laboratory. If the chemist doesn't give a required result, then they have to goes on number of experiment. But AI-based program that was trained to predict the reaction condition for any organic reaction. Uh, this program predict the solvent, catalyst, reagent, and the temperature as shown in the diagram. For example, this one is the first reactant, and this one is the second reactant, and we are unknown to the conditions for this process. Then AI can easily predict the solvent, catalyst, reagent, and temperature for this process. Chemical reaction optimization. When the chemist want to know the temperature, concentration, quality of the catalyst and reaction time that will lead the desired molecules in the high possible yield, then this search for optimal research condition can be very long and require many synthesis attempts, especially if there are many different parameters to control. Then the chemist can change only one of them at each experiment. This reaction optimization process can be automated through the AI technique for the best reaction condition for the chemical reaction and to find the best optimized solution than the existing optimization algorithm. AI-based methods have the advantage to change the several parameters at the same time in order to quick find on the optimal solution. Why it is important? Artificial intelligence in a chemical is important because it helps in the drugs discovery, material science. It gives the material science knowledge, predicting models or uh, predicting the property of the chemicals compound, and last one is the process optimization. With the help of the process optimization, we can achieve the optimized number of the product. Future of AI in chemical. Artificial intelligence is human-made advanced technology which is simulation of a human intelligence processed by the machine. At the, at the very present, as AI is dominating the world, that is, at every sector, AI is playing vital roles either in growth of the business, healthcare, agriculture, and so on by analyzing the data present in the real world. In very few years, AI can get more conscious, more advanced in AI robotics. Millions of data and patterns of the chemical compound will be theirs in AI database. Automation of the laboratory. Autonomous of the laboratory. Personalized medicine. AI in coming future. AI, the most important is AI help in the personalized medicine. Advantage of using AI in chemical. Artificial intelligence is increasingly being used in chemical research and development to speed up the process of discovering a new compound and the materials, optimizing the research, uh, optimizing the reaction condition, and predicting the property of the new molecules. Speed and if we talk about speed and efficiency, then AI-based algorithm can accelerate in discovering the new chemicals accurately and save the time of the chemist. As I mentioned, speed. AI can accelerate the discovery process by quickly analyzing large volume of the data and identifying the potential new compound and the materials. This saves the time and resources in the drug discovery process. Efficiency. By automating experiment, AI can streamline the research and development process and reduce the need of the manual labors. This can save the time and resources and also reduce the risk of the human error. Precision. AI can analyze data with high accuracy, identifying the pattern and the relationship that might be missing by the human researchers. This can lead the discovery of more effective compound and the materials. Environmental benefit. AI can be used to predict the environmental impact of the new chemical and materials, allowing the researcher to identify the compounds that are more suitable and have a lower environmental footprint. This can help to reduce the environmental impact of the chemicals research and development and support the sustainable effort. Challenges. Artificial intelligence is a powerful tool with enormous potential business benefit. However, in the chemical industry, there are unique challenges to overcome, which are listed below. Generalization, diverse data source, incorporating domain knowledge. Generalization. AI model trains the specific set of the data may not perform well when they applied to the new or different data set. This is known as the problem of the generalization, and it is practically challenging in chemistry due to the vast and complex nature of the chemical system. Diverse data source. Diverse data source refers to chemicals the data source coming from the different source like test data, simulation data, reference data, supply sheet, and different microstructure images, processing instruction, chemical formula, X-ray, different data um, can be arranged from the different sources. So company needs to have an easy way to get the legacy data in a centralized database and the structures the data in a common format that has the right mix and flexibility and standardized. Incorporating domain knowledge. AI models need to be trained on the data that is relevant to the problems they are being used to solve. In the case of the chemistry, it is important to incorporate domain knowledge such as chemical principle and the reaction mechanism into the models to ensure that they are making a accurate prediction. Conclusion. Machine learning based tools are not capable of helping the scientists design new molecules and synthesize them in many cases. These tools reach impressive performance and boost the chemist productivity. We can expect that a researcher will improve them a lot in next few years that and this tool will become essential for the chemist. At the very present days, AI is not so effective, but in coming days, if AI tools get more advanced, then each process and mechanisms in chemistry can be possible. Thank you.